Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and thank you for coming. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ivon Wisda and I am the speaker today. In this presentation, I'd like to talk about motivation in reading and expectancy plus value models. Yeah, I'm going to divide this presentation into two main areas. Firstly, motivation and second language reading. Secondly, the primary variables in motivation. Next, we start. Why I choose this topic? The reason is that in the simple sense, motivation is what makes people do or not do something. Also, it's similar with attitude in some respect, such as both of them can be directly observed, but there are some differences. According to Franken, he writes that the study of motivation has traditionally been concerned with arousal, persistence, and direction of behavior. To understand motivation, we can study in some physiological models. According to the models, there are two kinds: expectation and value. The point is that people will do what they expect to accomplish successfully, and then to avoid what they cannot expect. Yes, that's right. Next, we start in the first one of section, motivation and second language reading. There are four main components, or there are four variables that motivate students to desire to read in second language. The first one, material, and the second one, ability or reading ability, yes, and the third one, attitude. The last one is socio-cultural environments. I explain to you about this section, yes. Material and reading ability relate to expectation of success in reading second language, while the other two, such as attitudes and socio-cultural environment, relate to value of the reading in second language. That's the point of this section. Next, we move on in the second point, primary variables in motivation. There are two kinds, main section. There are two kinds that important in this case, material and attitudes. Yes, that's very, very important for students. The question is why? And the answer is because if the student doesn't have attitudes or the material are not appropriate to read, there would be lack motivation from student. That's also impossible for us, yes. Next, on the other hand, socio-cultural environment and reading ability, yes, can be compensated if teacher provide good material and promote the positive of second language. That's the point of this second section. Yes, in conclusion, by expectation and values models, there will be motivation for students in reading second language. And the second, or in addition, material and addition, that's very, very important for students in increasing their motivation to reading second language. That's all my presentation, and thank you for coming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.